Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Now that we've covered what makes lemon cucumbers so refreshing, let's dive into some amazing recipes and tips on how to incorporate them into your meals this summer. Infused water and beverages. Lemon cucumbers take infused water from basic to spa-worthy. Their subtle citrus undertone pairs perfectly with herbs and fruits, making hydration feel indulgent. Try these combos. Cucumber mint cooler. Slices of lemon cucumber, fresh mint leaves, and ice-cold water. Berry refresher, strawberries, lemon cucumber slices, and a splash of lime juice. Herbal iced tea, green tea with lemon cucumber and basil, chilled overnight. Freeze thin slices and ice cubes for a fancy touch in cocktails or sparkling water. They add flavor without dilution as they melt. Pickling and preserving. Lemon cucumbers hold their crunch when pickled, making them ideal for tangy snacks or garnishes. Their small size means quick brining, no need to chop. Easy pickling ideas. Quick fridge pickles. Pack whole or halved cucumbers in a jar with vinegar, salt, garlic and dill. Ready in 24 hours. Spicy pickled spears. Add red pepper flakes and coriander seeds for heat. Sweet and sour relish, finely diced with onions, sugar, and mustard seeds, perfect for hot dogs or burgers. For longer storage, ferment them with garlic and bay leaves. The natural tanginess boosts over time, creating a probiotic-rich condiment. Whether raw, infused, or pickled, lemon cucumbers keep summer meals light and lively. Their flexibility means you'll never run out of ways to enjoy them. Growing your own lemon cucumbers. Lemon cucumbers are one of the easiest crops to grow, even for beginners. Their compact vines thrive in warm weather and produce an abundance of round, yellow fruits that taste like summer in every bite. Whether you have a garden, raised beds, or just a patio container, these cucumbers adapt well. Just give them sunlight, water, and a little attention. Best growing conditions. Lemon cucumbers love warmth and consistent moisture. Plant them after the last frost when soil temperatures hit at least 60 degrees Fahrenheit. They'll grow in full sun, 6 to 8 hours daily, but tolerate partial shade if necessary. Key requirements for success. Soil, well-draining and rich in organic matter. Mix in compost before planting. Spacing, sow seeds 1 inch deep, 12 to 18 inches apart. For vines, provide a trellis to save space. Watering, keep soil evenly moist, about 1 inch of water per week. Avoid soggy roots. Fertilizer, use a balanced veggie fertilizer every 3 to 4 weeks for vigorous growth. Pests like cucumber beetles can be a nuisance. Deter them with row covers or plant radishes nearby as a natural trap crop. Harvesting and storage tips. Lemon cucumbers mature fast, ready to pick in about 60 days. Harvest when they're bright yellow and 2 to 3 inches wide. Larger fruits can turn bitter or seedy. How to keep them fresh. Twist or clip them off the vine to avoid damaging the plant. Store unwashed in the fridge for up to a week. Place them in a loose plastic bag to retain moisture. For longer storage, slice and freeze in airtight bags, great for smoothies or quick pickling later. Pro tip, check plants daily during peak season. The more you pick, the more they'll produce. Health benefits of lemon cucumbers. Beyond their crisp texture and refreshing taste, lemon cucumbers pack a serious nutritional punch. They're not just a summer snack, they're a hydrating, vitamin-rich powerhouse that supports digestion, immunity, and overall wellness. Hydration and digestive health. Lemon cucumbers are basically water with nutrients. At 95% water content, they're one of the easiest ways to stay hydrated, especially when temperatures soar. But they do more than just quench thirst. Their high water and fiber content work together to keep digestion smooth. Key benefits for your gut. Natural hydration helps maintain fluid balance, reducing bloating and fatigue. Gentle fiber adds bulk to stools without irritating sensitive stomachs. Electrolytes like potassium support muscle function and prevent cramps. For an easy digestive reset, try blending them into a chilled soup with yogurt and herbs. The combo of probiotics and fiber is a happy gut shortcut. Rich in antioxidants and vitamins. Don't let their mild flavor fool you. Lemon cucumbers are loaded with skin-loving vitamin C and protective antioxidants. Their yellow skin hints at beta-carotene, while the flesh delivers manganese and small amounts of B vitamins. Here's how their nutrients work for you. Vitamin C boosts collagen production and fights free radicals. Beta-carotene, converted to vitamin A, supports eye health and immunity. Anti-inflammatory compounds may help reduce oxidative stress over time. Eat them unpeeled to maximize benefits. Their thin skin holds nearly half the nutrients. Toss slices into a lunchbox with hummus or layer them on sandwiches for a crisp vitamin boost. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.